In this video, let's see how the Maserati wheel spacers work. Let's go. Maserati wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Maserati wheel spacers can help the Maserati GT with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adapters, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Maserati wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Maserati. The lines of the Maserati GT will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Maserati wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. We usually install 1-inch wheel spacers on the Maserati GT, and the overall result is perfect and full. This is also the choice of many Maserati owners who buy the Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation screws to make the brake cooling better. When rotating, these screws allow the air to flow between the spacers and brake rotors. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. Bonus also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm, and you can choose whether or not you want to pair them with extended bolts. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.